Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Indian Super Scout. Indian Motorcycles has electrified the motorcycle world with the debut of its eagerly awaited 2025 Super Scout, a fusion of classic design heritage and cutting-edge performance technologies. The Super Scout marks a bold return of the iconic model, blending nostalgic aesthetics with advanced engineering to deliver an exhilarating riding experience for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Central to the 2025 Indian Super Scout's allure is its robust 1,500 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, meticulously engineered to deliver an impressive 130 horsepower and 120 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse ensures commanding acceleration and a thunderous exhaust note, resonating with Indian motorcycles' legacy of power and performance. The engine pairs seamlessly with a smooth-shifting 6-speed transmission, offering precise gear changes and effortless cruising capabilities, ideal for both spirited rides and long-distance touring. The 2025 Super Scout embodies Indian Motorcycles' commitment to craftsmanship, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of performance, stated Mike Doherty, president of Indian Motorcycle. This model not only pays homage to our storied past but also sets a new benchmark in power and design for the future. Visually, the Super Scout captivates with its timeless yet contemporary styling. The motorcycle features a muscular and streamlined silhouette, characterized by a sculpted fuel tank, sleek bodywork, and premium chrome accents that accentuate its classic appeal. Embracing modernity, the Super Scout incorporates advanced LED lighting technology, including a distinctive headlamp and taillight design, ensuring enhanced visibility and safety on every ride. Rider comfort and control are paramount in the Super Scout's design philosophy. The motorcycle boasts a refined chassis with optimized geometry, offering a balanced and responsive riding experience. A low seat height and ergonomic handlebar positioning cater to rider comfort, while the sophisticated suspension system, featuring premium components tuned for both performance and comfort, ensures smooth handling and stability over varied road conditions. Technologically advanced features enrich the Super Scout's rider experience. A state-of-the-art digital display provides essential ride information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and navigation prompts. Additional amenities such as Bluetooth connectivity for smartphone integration and advanced rider aids like ABS and traction control further enhance safety and convenience, empowering riders to confidently tackle any road or adventure. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have praised the Super Scout for its seamless blend of classic aesthetics and modern engineering. The 2025 Indian Super Scout is a masterful interpretation of heritage and performance, commented renowned motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, refined design, and advanced features make it a standout in the sport motorcycle category, appealing to riders seeking both style and substance. With its iconic styling, potent performance, and state-of-the-art technology, the 2025 Indian Super Scout reaffirms Indian Motorcycles' legacy as a pioneer in the sport motorcycle industry. Enthusiasts eagerly anticipate its debut at dealerships, eager to experience firsthand the thrill and sophistication of riding a machine that honors tradition while embracing the future of motorcycling.